This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, skylight, stove top burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, DVD player, spare tire kit, microwave, awning, oven, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is 8,238 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.